morning everyone. I Faiza here before you all going to talk about Ammeter. So this video basically gonna tell you about the definition of Ammeter, types of Ammeter, connection in Ammeter and the Ammeter shunt. So let's get started with the definition. As the current is the flow of electron having unit ampere, the instrument which measure the flow of current is known as ampere meter or ammeter, or we can say the meter uses for measuring the current is known as ammeter. Here comes the representation part. So capital A represents the ammeter in a particular circuit. The ideal ammeter has zero internal resistance, but practically the ammeter has small internal resistance. The measuring range of the ammeter depends on the value of resistance. Now we are going to talk about the connection of ammeter. Ammeter is connected in series with the circuit so that the whole electron of measured current passes through the ammeter. There is also a power loss occur in the ammeter because of the measured current and their internal resistance. The ammeter circuit has low resistance so that the small voltage drop occur in the circuit. Now comes the question, why the resistance of ammeter is kept low. The resistance of ammeter is kept low because of the two main reasons. The first one is the whole measured current passes through the ammeter, and the second one, the low voltage drop occur in the ammeter. Now we are going to talk about the types of ammeter. Classification of ammeter depend on the design and type of current flowing through them, on which we divide ammeters into four types: permanent moving coil ammeter, moving coil ammeter, electrodynamometer ammeter and rectifier ammeter. On the basis of current, we classify ammeter into two types: AC ammeter and DC ammeter. So let's get started with the first one, which is permanent moving coil ammeter. The permanent moving coil ammeter used only for the measurement of direct current. The conductor is placed between the pole of a permanent magnet. When the current flows through the coil, it starts deflecting. The deflection of the coil depends on the magnitude of the current flowing through it. Now, the moving coil ammeter. It measures both alternating and direct current. The coil freely moves between the pole of a permanent magnet. When the current passes through the coil, it starts deflecting at a certain angle. The deflection of the coil is proportional to the current flowing through the coil. Now, electrodynamometer ammeter. It is used for both direct and AC current. The accuracy of this instrument is high as compared to the permanent moving coil ammeter and moving coil ammeter. The calibration of this instrument is same for both AC and DC current. That is, if DC calibrates the instrument, then without recalibration, it is used for AC measurement. Now comes the last part, which is rectifier type ammeter. The rectifier type ammeter is used for measuring the alternating current. The instrument uses the rectifying instrument which converts the direction of current and passes it to permanent moving coil ammeter. This rectifier ammeter is used in communication circuits. Now comes the last part of this video, which is ammeter shunt. The high value current directly passes through the ammeter, which damages their internal circuit. For removing this, the shunt resistance is connected in parallel with the ammeter. If the large measured current passes through the circuit, the major portion of the circuit passes through the shunt resistance, the shunt resistance will not affect the working of the ammeter. So this is all about the today's videos. We completed our major topics, that is definition of ammeter, types of ammeter, connection of ammeter. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.